Si Corporate World na ba? Magandang araw po sa lahat ng mga ka-viewers natin. Sana'y nasa maayos po kayong kalagayan, binabati po natin ang mga viewers natin. Team Medeth, Team Jadith at ang Medeth communities worldwide. Si Corporate World na ba ang right man for Medeth? Siya na ba ang hinintay at makabibighani ng puso ni Bunso Medeth? Sa live nga ni Medeth ay andan din watching si Corporate World na napasmile naman na binati ng dalaga. Nagpaliwanag nga si Medeth kay Corporate World na last time niya nag-live. Nawala daw kasi siya, nasabi niya sa mga supporters niya na if you really like me or love me or what you will come here in Philippines. Sabi nga daw nila sisirin ang dagat, liliparin ang himpapawid. Mapuntahan lang ang taong mahal. Nag-reply naman si Corporate World na I'll cut my messages because it's too long. Kaya sabi naman ni Medeth I'll visit your channel, mukhang in love daw si Corporate World kay Bunso. Na-curious naman si Bunso kaya sinearch niya talaga si Corporate World. Ito ang message ni Corporate World, there's a lady whose life is in doubt. Because someone just used her, now it seems she's having a traumatic experience and doubting every man. I guess let me tell you this lady, some people scammed me before my money and trust. I don't scam anybody, I didn't fool anyone either, but it's understandable because people have differences. The guy who scam you face to face, he causes you trauma. You are being traumatized, you're not ready to open up your heart for a new beginning. I can't do nothing about it anymore, you need to get healed yourself first. I'm letting go anyway, don't worry, I'll stop giving you advices. I'm not a loss to you, because you have plenty of followers. Sabi ni Medeth hala grabe ka naman, oh my gosh Corporate World. Ito nga reply ni Bunso kay Corporate World, first of all she said her past broke her heart and traumatized her. But that doesn't mean that she will not open her heart for new love. Because everyone deserve love, may nagsabi nga sa comment na nasaktan daw si Corporate World dahil sa last live ni Bunso ay nagsabi ito baka fake account lang. Agad naman sagot ni Medeth you can't blame me Corporate World. How you can trust someone you don't even see, we don't have any connection. Or rather communication, how I can trust you or believe that you are real. Can you blame me? Look, you write this message, why don't you just say it? Show your face, so we will trust you. Nagpakita naman daw siya ng itsura kay Medeth isang beses lang daw. Nag-sorry naman si Medeth kay CW, if na-offend niya ang binata. Reply nga ni CW na, we have buildings there in your place in Naga City areas. You don't even know that you are already stepping on, it's alright because everyone is welcome of course. At nagpaalam na si CW sa live ni Medeth kasi may Zoom conference pa daw ang binata, may nag-comment naman ng ganito, Bunso dare mo daw umuwi ng Pilipinas, na pinagbigyan naman ni Medeth ang nag-comment, Corporate World I dare you to come visit the Philippines, and show your face to my followers. Hanggang sa muli po mga K-viewers maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.